the hallmark of Lasallian education is to be aware of the sign of the times. And our aviation STEM program is a perfect example about how we have observed a growing need in the industry and a growing opportunity for our students. We're fortunate enough to be able to connect the dots between those two things.
Our aviation program and our STEM programs are designed to prepare our boys not only for their curriculum and the workload at the collegiate level, but to also provide our boys the experiences during their 4 years at CBHS that put our boys in the best position for future employment as well as continued growth in their careers. We view this as truly Lasallian. The 4 years that our boys spend here and creating the brotherhood that they have here, the workload that we put them through academically, the time management skills that they learn, the college preparatory education that we provide, but also the career readiness that they experience, we feel put our boys in the best position to be successful after their time, whether that's after their 4 years here at CBHS or their time in college.